viewers, welcome back to Yarn Women's channels. I'm really sorry for not uploading a video for last few weeks, maybe 1 month or so. I was really busy with my children's mock exams, then summative assessments. Then I myself am doing online classes. I'm a teacher, Montessori teacher, so I was busy with that, especially during the vacations, doing a camp. And unfortunately, I also got admitted in a hospital due to dangerously low pressure. So I couldn't do much of the videos. Though I had taken some break for a week, I was able to make some patterns on my own. I couldn't properly do a video, so I really sincerely apologize for my delay. Okay, so now you would be wondering why I have kept 3 coasters here. Most often you would have been heard in most of the tutorials or in the patterns. When you read, you are supposed to stick to a particular hook. Unless otherwise it is stated, you have to change to this hook size. Okay, so why that is important, why a particular size of hook needs to be followed throughout your own project, that is what we are going to understand in this video. Here I have 3 different sizes of coasters. Okay, the first one I have made with the hook size 3.5. Hope the camera is able to catch it. So this is 3.5 size hook. Now next one is a 4 mm hook, and this one, the third one, is a 4.5 mm hook. So the pattern I have used here is the same, the pattern as I made the coaster in my last video. Here actually it is a kind of mistake happened to me. I was planning to make a few coasters, few motifs of that pattern for a curtain. What happened was I didn't pay much attention to the crochet hook size. Okay, so randomly I picked up hooks and then I started crocheting a few coasters or few motifs, and then I realized when it was time for me to join the coasters or these motifs, it was like, you know, when I try to join it like this, the joining points were not getting matched. See, it is not getting matched. I tried a lot, but for some reason I needed to compromise with the points where I had to match. Okay, if in case I am sticking to these coasters itself rather than unraveling and do it again. So it otherwise I may have to stretch it. Probably that will ruin the texture. So it was kind of a compromise. If we can do, then it's okay, but not always we will be allowed to do that compromise. Otherwise, if you are working on a garment and if you are changing the hook size, it will not look good. So that compromise itself doesn't make a compromise. Okay, so I thought, okay, then I will make a video of it so that what mistake I did and what is the lesson I learned out of that mistake will be helpful for you all also. Okay, viewers, so the pattern I have followed is the same as I did in my previous video, but the hook sizes were different because I wasn't paying much attention to the same hook. So these are the hooks I have used, 3 hooks, and these are the 3 outcomes of the pattern. The design is the same, the pattern is the same, but the size is different. So now let's see the measurement. Sorry. For the first coaster, for this pink coaster, it approximately measures 3.5 inches. Okay, it approximately measures 3.5 inches. Now let me take to the measurement for the second one. It is close to 4 inches, 3 point something, yes, close to 4 inches. Now this one, this is close to, it is 4.5 inches. So though the pattern, the design, everything is same, because I changed the hook sizes, it is smallest of these three, it is the medium size and it is the largest size. So I understood that the hook sizes should be the same throughout the project. And I also learned this is size up a hook. When you really feel that your project is so small, when compared to the pattern it is given, then you can go up a hook size or size up a hook. So that made me understand a lesson that hook size is really important for a crochet project, whatever it is. Unless you decide that my crochet coaster should be of 3.5 centimeters when I am using 3.5 mm hook, then well and good, there is no problem, no two thoughts at all. But otherwise, if you really are planning to make a curtain or a table runner or a tablecloth or a dress, then it's really important for you to stick to that same crochet hook throughout the project. And also don't ever change the hook size or the type of the, if for example you're using the metal hook for this project, means this aluminum hook for this project, means you have to use the same aluminum hook for the entire project. Please don't even think of changing to another 4.5 mm hook of another type like wooden or acrylic or plastic or any type, because the manufacturers are also different. Okay, so the outcome will be different. So please don't ever change the hook when you are doing a project. And if possible, when you are doing a project, please make a note in a piece of paper that the project you are doing is a, for example, if it is coaster you are using or doing, then please make a note that the type of the project is coaster, then hook is the aluminium pink color or purple color 4 mm hook. Then if possible, take a picture of it and keep it with you. Okay, whatever accessories or whatever materials you are using, please take a picture of it or note it down at least in a piece of paper, so that probably you will be kind of person like me who would like to switch to different projects in a single time, because doing the same project for a long time would be monotonous and I really sometimes get bored doing the same thing again and again. So I am a kind of person who sometimes switches to different projects, maybe small appliques or some trying to get into a new stage, something like that. So please make a note of your project when you are doing it. Otherwise you will land up in trouble as I did for this. Okay. So now I don't know if I'm going to compromise it or I'm just going to use this as a coasters for table, because I really run out of coasters. Initially I had 8 coasters and now I have only 2 coasters with me. So I don't know what happened to the other 6. I somehow missed it. So coasters, we really need it in our daily life. So probably for my children, they will be so happy to receive new coasters. So anyway, this is the kind of video I wanted to share with you with the mistake and the lesson I learned from that mistake. Okay, so I hope this video has been really helpful to you. So if you are viewing this video for the first time, or if you are new to my channel for the first time, please do subscribe, share my video, like, comment. Until then, it's bye from Yanomans. Take care, stay safe. Corona is not yet over, so please be very careful with your health. And it's bye from Yanomans. Stay blessed.